Hello everyone. Welcome to our video today. In this video, we are going to be exploring one of the most vibrant and cultural neighborhoods in Miami, Little Havana. Here, you'll discover Cuban culture at its finest, with rich music, flavorful cuisine, and colorful street art. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. History of Little Havana. Before we dive in, let's talk about the history of Little Havana. In the 1960s, a wave of Cuban immigrants fled the communist regime led by Fidel Castro and settled in Miami, particularly in the neighborhood now known as Little Havana. Since then, this area has become the heart of Cuban American culture and heritage, with its streets lined with cafeterias, domino parks, and cigar shops. Food. One of the best things about Little Havana is its food. It's hard to walk down the street without the aroma of delicious Cuban cuisine waiting towards you. One of the most popular dishes in Little Havana is the Cuban sandwich, made with roast pork, ham, Swiss cheese, pickles, and mustard on Cuban bread. Another popular dish is Ropa Vieja, which is shredded beef cooked with peppers, onions, and tomato sauce, served with white rice and black beans. Other traditional Cuban dishes that can be found in Little Havana include picadillo, ground beef stew, lechon asado, roast pork, arroz con pollo, chicken and rice, and frijoles negros, black beans. These dishes are often served with plantains, which can be prepared in a variety of ways, including fried, mashed, or boiled. In addition to traditional Cuban cuisine, Little Havana also offers a variety of other Latin American dishes, including Colombian empanadas, Mexican tacos, and Argentinian grilled meats. And, of course, you can't leave Little Havana without trying a Cuban coffee, which is strong and sweet. We recommend visiting one of the local cafeterias for an authentic experience. Music. Another aspect of Cuban culture that is well represented in Little Havana is music. You'll often hear lively salsa music playing in the streets, and it's not uncommon to see impromptu dance parties break out. One of the most popular music venues in Little Havana is the Ball and Chain, a historic bar and lounge that has been a cornerstone of the neighborhood since the 1930s. The venue features live music every night, with a mix of Cuban, Latin, and American musicians performing a variety of styles, including salsa, jazz, and blues. Another popular music venue in Little Havana is Hoy Como Ayer, a small club that specializes in Cuban music. The club is known for its intimate atmosphere, with live music performances and dancing every night. In addition to these venues, Little Havana is home to many other bars and restaurants that feature live music on a regular basis. Visitors can also experience the sounds of Little Havana by attending the annual Calle Ocho Festival, which takes place every March and features live music, food, and cultural performances. Art. The art of Little Havana is a reflection of the neighborhood's rich cultural heritage and diverse artistic traditions. The neighborhood is home to many artists and galleries, showcasing a variety of styles and mediums, including painting, sculpture, photography, and more. One of the most prominent art galleries in Little Havana is the Futurama 1637 Gallery, which features works by contemporary Cuban artists. The gallery hosts regular exhibitions and events, showcasing the latest works by emerging and established artists. Another popular art destination in Little Havana is the Viernes Culturales, a monthly art and culture festival that takes place on the last Friday of every month. The festival features live music, dance performances, art exhibitions, and more, celebrating the rich cultural heritage of the neighborhood. In addition to these venues, Little Havana is home to many other galleries and studios that showcase the work of local artists. Visitors can explore the many galleries and studios on their own or join a guided tour to learn more about the art and culture of the neighborhood. Domino Park. Finally, a visit to Little Havana wouldn't be complete without stopping by Domino Park, a small park located on the corner of Southwest 8th Street and 15th Avenue. Here, you'll see local residents playing dominoes, a game that is beloved in Cuban culture. This is a great spot for people to watch and immerse yourself in the daily life of the neighborhood. Domino Park, also known as Maximo Gomez Park, is a popular gathering place in Little Havana, Miami. The park is named after Maximo Gomez, a general who fought for Cuba's independence from Spain, and is known for its lively atmosphere and its iconic game of dominoes. The park is a gathering place for locals and visitors alike, with many residents coming to play dominoes and socialize with friends. The park is also a popular destination for tourists, who come to experience the vibrant culture and history of Little Havana. In addition to dominoes, the park features a variety of other activities, including chess games, live music performances, and dance classes. Visitors can also enjoy the many food vendors in the park, offering traditional Cuban snacks and refreshments. Domino Park is an important cultural landmark in Little Havana, serving as a gathering place for the Cuban community and a symbol of the neighborhood's rich cultural heritage. Whether you are a fan of dominoes or are interested in experiencing the vibrant culture of Little Havana, a visit to Domino Park is a must-see attraction. Final thoughts. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the rich culture and heritage of Little Havana. From the delicious food to the lively music and colorful art, this neighborhood is a must-visit for anyone interested in Cuban culture. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you exploring Little Havana soon.